Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Sorry that I look how I look, but I don't feel so good today. But I got package in the mail and it's a very exciting one for me because it's shoes, but it's my first pair of Demonia boots and I'm really excited about them. I have got them from Attitude Europe or Attitude Holland. I have used like the Halloween sale they had. About the shipping, when I ordered, they don't have them in stock, so they have to order it from like somewhere else, and then I have waited for like 5 days until they get it on stock, and then they immediately shipped it to me. It took like 4 to 5 days to get to me, so it was pretty fast. It's in a plastic bag and I can already feel the shoebox. I guess I'm going to just open it. Also, as you can say by this video title, I will be unboxing the model Demonia SHAKER-55. You will soon see why I have chosen this specific pair of Demonia boots. It's a little bit smashed from all the traveling, I guess, but on the top it says Demonia and the top is black and the body of the box is red, and as I said, it's really smashed, but never mind. Both shoes are stored in the box like the shoes are, and each boot is packed separately in paper and then in plastic bag, and they are separated with this cardboard thingy. So let's take out the first shoe. And this is the model I got. As you can see, it has little cute bat wings. They are absolutely adorable. I have taken size 37 and I really hope they fit, because I heard that Demonia has pretty tricky sizing, so yeah, I don't know, but I hope they will fit fine. So, to the shoe. As you can see, it is made from leather, but it is vegan leather. It has zipper on the side and also a belt thingy. As for batwing, as you can see, it is embroidered. I thought it will be like printed, but it is actually embroidered, which is really nice. I really appreciate it. The sole is made from, this looks like rubber, this top part, and the bottom part is, oh my god, how weird the light is today. I mean, I'm not really motivated to film because the light changes all the time, and when I'm not filming like really soon in the morning, the light is really shit, so just excuse the weather. I'm working on having my lights, but I don't have them yet, so just please keep up with it. Also, that's the reason why I haven't filmed Black Moon Cosmetics lipsticks collection yet, because the light is shit and it just doesn't have point to make lipstick swatches in bad light, you know. Alright, I got sidetracked. Now to the shoe. As I said, the top part is made of rubber, the bottom part is made of foam. This zipper in front, I guess it's only like decoration, because I don't really see any purpose of it. I heard the shoes are really comfortable. We will see about that. But yeah, I don't know how high the platform is, maybe 7 to 10 centimeters. I will try and write it somewhere if I find it. And yeah, I was really excited to get Demonias because you can't get them in my country, and I knew they have them on Attitude Europe. It was like a gift to my birthday actually. Inside there is a paper, and I don't know if you will see, but inside there is like, it's printed, I think, Demonia logo. Yeah, this is the first shoe. So now I guess I'm gonna try them and then talk about that a little bit. So I had tried the shoes on lengthwise. They are perfect. They are wide, but I don't really mind because I can put like thick socks in them and stuff like that. And they are also a little bit loose on my ankle, but I actually like that look because it makes my legs look slimmer. So yeah, I really enjoy that. They are really comfortable, like the shape of the sole is really comfortable and it feels really natural for your feet. So that is really nice, I think. They are a little bit stiff yet, but I mean, I have just put them on first time and just walk over the room few times. They are true to size because I have got 37 and lengthwise they fit like 37 with a little bit of room, which is like the comfortable room for like thicker socks and stuff like that. I don't expect any blisters or stuff like that because they seem really comfortable. And inside they are actually like, they are really soft inside, so that's nice. And yeah, I will also insert the clip of me wearing them so you can get like a thought how they look on human feet. Keep in mind I have kinda skinny ankles and feet, so yeah, so they are a little bit loose. So if you have like wider ankles or stuff like that, they should fit you great too because they are loose on me. So yeah, now I will cut to the clip of me wearing them. So that was all for this video. If you have any questions about the shoes, feel free to ask them down below. My final conclusion is that I can only recommend these. They are really nice and I'm already thinking about getting another Demonia pair, even if I really shouldn't because I have a lot of shoes, but whatever. But yeah. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos related to alternative makeup and clothing. And hopefully I will see you in my next video soon. Bye bye!